Hello guys, welcome back into Samie Photography. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use frequency separation from the start up to the end. So stick around as I dive you in how to use or how to apply frequency separation in Photoshop. So let's dive in. This is our photo we are going to use. As you can see, it has a lot of pimples and blemishes in the face. Firstly, we are going to come and make a copy of this background layer by dragging this background layer into this plus icon under the adjustments. So after that, we are going to first remove these pimples and blemishes in our model's face, and we are going to be using the patch tool and the spot healing tool, these tools. Firstly, I'm going to first use the patch tool. So zoom in. If you want to zoom in, you just press Ctrl plus to zoom in, and to zoom out you just press Ctrl minus. So after that, zoom in and come to these pimples. You can remove them by circling it using patch tool. As you can see the setting, we usually use this first one. Come and circle the pimples and drag that pimple into the clean place. As you can see, try to remove them by circling it and drag it into the clean place. As you can see, and so right now I will show you when I'm done with it, so stick around as I finish it. So after that, we are going to use the spot healing tool also by removing this small pimple. So now you can see our before and after. This is our before and then after, our before and then after. You can see that we have removed these pimples and those big pimples and some blemishes. So the next part, we are going to start our frequency separation. So come and add or merge these layers. So make other two layers by dragging this background layer into this plus icon, as you can see. So name this low and name this high. So after that, come and disable this high layer or text layer. So come to filter and then blur, then Gaussian blur. So make sure that you sample the area which has high texture, and we'll drag this radius up to 0. So look for that area which has high texture. So come and drag this radius and look for that point or pixels which will be better for our image. So I think 4 will be better for this image, and press OK. So after that, come to this high layer and enable it. After that, come to image and then look for apply image. So remember, we are dealing with the 8-bit image, so we are going to use the subtract method. So after that, come to our layer and select this low layer or this low layer. We named it low. So come to subtract here. Remember, when we are dealing with 16-bit image, we usually use the addition method, so we are going to use subtraction method. Press subtraction, make sure that the channel is RGB, and make sure this ticks or this area is not ticked. As you can see, the mask and the preserve transparency. After that, come to scale. So put 2 and then the offset 128. Make sure that we don't invert our image. So after that, press OK. Come to our blending mode and select linear light. So remember, we are going to subtract textures from the skin color of our model. So after that, disable this high layer to make it perfect. So here you can use the lasso tool or the mixer brush tool. So if you are going to use the mixer brush tool, you have to disable this layer by pressing here. Come to brushes and look for mixer brush tool. Make sure that you select a soft round brush, the hardness is 0, and make sure it's a clean brush. As you can see, come and press this and come to clean brush. Make sure that the weight is 9%, then load 75% and mix 90%, and make sure the flow is 100%. And another thing, make sure that the sample don't sample this layer, don't tick this box to sample layers. So after that, come to our mixer brush tool and start brushing. And when you are using mixer brush tool, you press once and then start brushing. If you want to brush another part, you come and also press and then you start brushing that part. So here I will go somehow speedy. I will show you the result. So here you can see our before and after, our before and after. So this is the result from using the mixer brush tool, as you can see. So after that, come and make a group of this layer, add them and drag them to the group section and name it frequency separation. You can see our before and after, our before and after, our before and then after. So after that, here you can use the lasso tool to make it more smooth. Come to our low layer and then select lasso tool. Make sure that the feather is around 18 pixels or 20 pixels. Come and circle on the forehead or on that place you want to add the smoothness. So come to blur and then come to Gaussian blur. Here we are going to use a little amount of bra. I think 12 is okay. And on it, when applying on the nose, make sure that you apply a little Gaussian blur so that the nose don't look flat. So here you can see before and after, before and after, before and after. You can see before and then after, before and then after. So another thing, we are going to whiten the eyes. And if you want to learn more, check other videos in my description. And remember, we are selling actions and presets, so check into the description, buy those fantastic presets. So remember, we are going to whiten eyes. So come to adjustment layers and then come to hue and saturation. So drag the saturation all the way to around 74. Come and pick our brush, make sure it's a soft round brush, and come and mask our layer by pressing Ctrl I to invert our layer. So start brushing our eyes so that they look fantastic. You can see before and then after, and before and then after. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.